Good morning, dear children. How are you? Let us learn today division. Chapter 5. First of all, you will learn what is division. Division is equal sharing among groups, or it is a process of repeated subtraction. So many things you have to learn in what is called dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder, what is division facts, multiplication facts. Equal sharing things. Suppose children, there are 6 chocolates and you have to distribute among 2 friends how many chocolates each friend gets. So number of chocolates you will divide by number of friends, 2. So you read table of 2 till comes the number 6. You will get 2 3 ja 6. 3 chocolates each friend gets. Now in this you have to learn 6. 6 is dividend. 2 divisor is known as divisor. And 3 is known as quotient. Now how it is division is repeated subtraction. Now let us learn. You subtract 2 from 6 by how many times, so that till we get the number 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Now 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So how many times we have subtracted it? 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. 3 times. So it is division is a process of repeated subtraction. Now write the division facts of any numbers. Suppose I have written 6 into 8 is equal to 48. Now this is multiplication fact. Now you have to write this multiplication fact into division fact. Now 48 divide by 6 is equal to get 6 8 ja 48. Now again 48, if you divide 48 by 8, you will get quotient as 8 6 ja 48. So there are 2 division facts of each multiplication facts. Are you looking, children? Just you see. There are 4 properties of division. First property is when any number is divided by 1, the quotient we get as the number itself. Means the same number, like 5 divided by 1, 1 5 ja 5. So when any number is divided by 1, exactly we get quotient itself. Now second property is when any number is divided by itself, the quotient we get as 1. Number is divided by itself exactly get the quotient as 1. Now 3 number property of division is we cannot divide any number by 0. Any number, suppose I am writing 9 divided by 0 is what is the quotient of this division process? Right, dividend is 9 and divisor is 0. Is it possible to divide the number? No, not possible. Suppose 0 1 ja 0, 0 9 ja 0. So we cannot divide any number by 0. It is not possible to, and always we get the remainder same. No, we cannot subtract. So it is not possible. We cannot divide any number by 0. Now number 4 properties of division is when 0 is divided by any number. 0 is divided by any number. The quotient is what we get. Let us find out. 0 is dividend here and 7 is as divisor. So you divide it 7 0 ja 1 time. It will be 7 1 ja 7. So you will divide 0 by 7 is 0 time. 7 0 ja 0. Now we get quotient as 0. When 0 is divided by any number any number, the quotient is, we get quotient as 0. We get quotient as 0. Thank you.